Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Khalid Zaman. Today I want to show you something that is Dell branded PC and its model is Optiplex 7080 and it is Intel Core i7. So now we are going to see what is inside this PC. It is opening now. My father is going to open this. Okay. At first, I want to start with graphics card. As you see, a big circuit. This is called graphics card. Well, this is Quadro. This graphics card is made by Nvidia company and it is 5 GB and its model number is P2200. As you see clearly, P2200. And here is written Quadro. And that one is power supply, from where the computer, the monitor gets the power and whole thing runs. Well, beside that, you see RCE, like something is written there, that is memory card. And these two are 32 giga RAM. This one and that one. And this one is CPU cooling fan. As you see, it's a fan. If I open this up, then you will get like this.
This is the CPU.
And this white color, this is CPU guard, and under this, that thing is CPU. Wait, we are going to open this. Now we are going to open the heart of computer, that is CPU, Central Processing Unit. This one is the CPU, and surrounding this
Surrounding.
and around the CPU there are CPU holder. I'm pointing with my finger, that is CPU holder. This one will be upon the CPU and then the fan will be on the CPU protector like this. Okay,
Cooling.
CPU cooling fan. And this one is the DVD player. Okay, look, this is DVD player, this one. Okay, where we have to put the CD. And the next we have the another extra fan for making it cool. And lastly we have motherboard. Motherboard is like mother, and on the motherboard every item, everything of the computer is associated or connected. All right, now we are going to close it. It is closing now. Yeah, it has closed. So that's all about CPU.